Hello everyone, this is Nancy again, and I thought of you as I was cooking this meal. It's very simple. It's full of antioxidants, packed with fiber and protein. And what is it? And it has a very unique ingredient or product that I use pretty often that I think you're gonna enjoy. It tastes like chorizo, but it's not chorizo. What is it? Is soy chorizo. It tastes like chorizo, but it's not. So what I did, I just browned some of the soy chorizo, not some. I added it, the whole thing. You can add half, whatever you want to, however you want to eat it, or how many people you're serving. But I like it like this. I like it to eat it with beans, with red beans, and pair it with rice. But you can pair it with anything else you want, tortilla or bread. Um, so there it is. That's simple. You just burn your onions, add the soy chorizo, and cook your beans. Mix them all together and pair it with rice or any kind of um, complex, I recommend, carbohydrates you have at home. So I hope you have a good day and enjoy. Bye bye.